Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to learn about how to change first letter as capital from the word. Okay. So here we are taking the input, the string. Okay. So this is the string we have taken. So here Java is a developed programming language is the string. What is the output in the sense? It needs to be printed. So like each word's first letter need to be changed as capital. Okay, so this is our scope. So let's start to write the program. So first what I'm going to do, so here it's present in the string, right? So I just want to take that as index based. So I'm just going to convert this to string of array. For that, string of array, here I'm just mentioning as words equal to input dot split. So here I'm splitting each word based on space, because in the every each word we have a space, right? So based on the space we are splitting that. Okay, then I'm just going for iteration. So here I'm using the for each loop. Why? Because once I split it based on the space, I'm just converting that to again string. Okay, why? Because string only we have like taking separately the characters alone, we have the option in the string alone. So we going to take the string, this string dot caret of, here what is the index we need to use. Usually if there is a for normal for loop, we will be using the I, right? But here it is not a normal for loop, and here what is the index we need to use. So it's a simple, so whatever the value we are going to pass here as the index, which should be present in the which letter we need to change. Okay, so here if you're taking this Java, what index number we need to change. So here is means what index number we need to change as capital. So each letter first character should be changed as capital letter, right? So the index based in the sense 0 1 2 3, 0 1 0, 0 1 2 3. So like the way first letter will be started with a 0, right? So I'm just putting here as the 0. For this return type will be the character, and then we got the zeroth character of letter, right? So each word's first character we got in this character, right? Now we going to change this to uppercase. That is what capital letter. Okay, that is what our scope, right? Capital letter we need to change. So to change the uppercase, this is the character, right? So we have one inbuilt method like character dot to uppercase. So in this we need to we need to pass the caret into that. This return type also char only. Okay, so this is uppercase. So now we we changed each first letter as uppercase. Okay, so what we need to do second, we need to take rest of the letters from the each word. For that we need to mention that string, in this string only all the values are stored, right? String. For the rest of the letters we have one method called substring. Substring in the sense, from we have this kind of options, substring and substring, these two methods is there, right? So first one is int begin index alone we need to mention from which index we need the substring, and the another one begin index and the end index, so both we need to mention. So if that is a string, in the sense you can mention begin and end index, but it is an already converted to like array, right? Then each already converted, like here if you are taking begin index, what is the next letter, from which letter we need to pass here? Already we taken the 0th index, right? So that is changed to j capital letter already here. Rest of the letter from the first index only. So from the first index till the space, whatever the character is there, that will be passed here. So I'm just mentioning as the first character, there is a 1. So now we taken the uppercase and the substring. So if you joining this one, our first word will be done, right? So to join that, I'm just mentioning that string value equal to uppercase, because this is the first letter, right? Uppercase plus substring. Here we mention like this. So here if you mention this, this needs to be stored in the string, right? I'm just printing that. Okay, I'm just printing that. It's printing as language, okay, because we are not passed here value. So if you're checking this, each letter, okay, value here, I'm just adding space. Okay, so Java is a developed programming language. Each word's first letter changed to capital letter. So this is what our scope, right? So like this way we can achieve this. So once again I'm explaining this. So first we have one string, which is Java is a developed programming language stored in the input variable, and for iterating that we need to change that as like a string of array. So for that we are say separating using the space, like using the input dot split method. So, then we will store that in the words. So after that storing words, we are going for the for each loop. Again the string of array changed to string. So in this string first we are taking the character, so 0th character, which need to be changed as uppercase. So first we are taking the 0th character, and then that character need to be changed to uppercase by default method character dot to uppercase. Then we are storing that is in the uppercase, and then rest of the letters we need to take from the string using the substring method. Which index we need to pass that? From first index we need to pass that. So one we are mentioning here, and then we are combining that uppercase and substring values here. Okay, so here the value is that we created one variable. In that variable we are passing this uppercase and substring. So here why we are mentioning value, in the sense to store all the values. So if we are not mentioning the value here, the last value alone it will be taken. So for example language alone it will be stored in this. So first value we are, for the first iteration in the value, this sorry Java will be stored, right? So again next iteration already in the value empty that is a null value is there, right? So in the first iteration it will be changed as Java. So again the iteration will be happened. Now value has Java, so plus Java another word need to be added. So the second iteration the value Java is will be there. So the third iteration Java is a will be there, and fourth iteration Java is a developed will be there. So like the way we are adding each words next to that, and then using space we are differentiating that, right? So this is the way we can achieve this. Hope this video is clear. If you have any doubt, you just mention that in the comment. If you like this video, you understood this concept, just give a like and support us. Okay, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.